What's up, my good people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Fanny's. Yeah, this is the ingredients I'm going to mix with the boiled chicken, and this is my chicken. You can just see it. Yeah, I've already put the water, the chicken, the things that you are seeing, white, small pieces. These are among the. This is a, what do you call it? Garlic. Naitwanga garlic, kitunguu saumu. Yeah, and this is the ingredient actually. So yeah, just check out the way it looks like. Then I use this. Yeah, these spices are the best. You can just see kuna different types of spices. Yeah, so I usually use this because it's very nice. Yeah, it's very important to our body. Some of them, they reduce the blood, the pressure, the blood sugar, and all those, they balance. Yeah, so it's something like cinnamon, cardamom, and already inside. So what I will just do is actually adding black pepper. This is my black pepper. Yeah, so it's a powder, it's in powder form. So I'll add a little bit, as you can just see I'm doing. And then the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is just to carve this and put inside. So let's get into it. So this is my onions, so I'll put inside the chicken just like this, and I'll add inside. Now this is the onion, guys, so just move with me as I am going to add into this, just like that. Just like that. I'll try to spread that out, and then I cut now. So the next thing, I'll cut this eggplant. Eggplant actually is very important when you just cook with food. So it's a very important purpose in your body. So guys, the importance of actually eating this eggplant is fairly nutritional, densely. Like that means like it contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber in few calories. Yes, and that's why I really love cooking this eggplant. I can't cook any vegetable without adding this. So, and also it contains high in antioxidants actually. Yeah, which also are very nice in your body, and also it reduces it reduces the healthy of heart attack or heart diseases, and also it promotes blood sugar, this eggplant. Yeah, so it has a fiber that can lower the sugar by slowing the rate of the digestion and absorption of sugar in the body. So that's why you see many people love eating this eggplant. And also it can just help weight loss. If you are just ukiwa na overweight, it will also help you guys to reduce some weight from your body. So how does it actually reduce the weight from your body? It has fiber. This fiber moves through the digestion tract slowly, that can promote fullness and satiety to reduce calorie intake. Yeah, so this eggplant are often used as a high fiber or low calories, replaced by higher calories. So you guys, I hope you've just gotten the point on why I usually love eating this eggplant. So when you see somebody mixing some of the stuffs, don't always ask why you. And also the another benefit actually of this eggplant it's just it may have like cancer fighting benefits, no? Yeah, so I can't go into deeper, and not unless I'm going now to talk about eggplant as a whole thing. But for now, this is something that I can't actually do what? I can't actually explain and finish everything. So it's very easy to add to your diet. It can be used as a low calories to replace for many high calories ingredients. So it can be baked, roasted, grilled, salted, enjoyed with drizzle of olive oil and quick dash for seasoning. So for me right, like today, I'm just using here to cook with my chicken, my boiled chicken. So yeah, I've just cut it like that. I'm gonna make into small pieces for it to cook faster. So guys, work with me as I add this eggplant to my chicken. So just work with me. It's my chicken. You just check. So guys, the next thing I'm going actually to prepare is this. It's called Zejin or Zachin, and it provides rich hydrates, essential vitamins, and powerful antioxidants or antioxidants. Yeah, the health benefits is just to improve digestion, like it contains high water and fiber content to prevent constipation and feed good gut bacteria. It supports weight loss, protects healthy eye for C. Yeah, and also regulate blood sugar. Because it contains low carbohydrate level and high fiber, help stabilize blood glucose and assist diabetic management. It also promotes heart health because it contains potassium that regulates blood pressure, while solute fiber lowers the total LDL cholesterol. And then the last thing it contains, it strengthens the bones. This thing you are seeing here, because it contains vitamin K, magnesium, and manganese, contribute to high bone density and strength. So these are the main reasons to why many people like eating this thing. Yeah, so these are the health benefits. So just stay tuned as we cut and add to our boiled chicken. This is my last thing I'm adding. The rest not necessary actually. It's like potatoes. Yeah, so once I add this, I call it my boiled vegetables, waiting for it to just cook. Yeah, and served with, of course, rice. You can just see this side is rice. So bye for this video. Let's meet on the next video, guys. I love you all. Remember to support me by subscribing, liking, sharing this video, guys, with friends. Tell a friend, and a friend can tell a friend. Let's load to 2,000 subscribers. Bye.